Event took place on August the 6th of 2014 that changed the narrative, except the passengers had stopped that from happening. So, what was it that happened? It turns out that while they were trying to get on board, only some were lucky enough to do so. Sadly, a man suddenly slipped, finding his leg between the cab and the platform as the train was just about to move. It was an embarrassing situation, and beyond that, there were passengers around who quickly noticed when his leg got stuck. They quickly signaled to the driver to not move the train, and with their strength they pushed the train just enough to let the man go free. Thanks to the kindness of the brave passengers, the man was saved, and the train schedule was only delayed by about 15 minutes, after which everything was fixed.